Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have an enemy battler of a Golem from RPG Maker 2000 converted to MV and MZ size by Ethanada, an MV plugin by Nathan Maya that can replace a picture with another while keeping its properties, and it also allows setting up Tint presets that we can call over pictures with a plugin command, an MV and MZ plugin by Myth Authelier that ties experience with up to 3 variables, so we have more control over it. Next, we have 4 MZ plugins by Potato Dragon, a plugin that can change the range of how much volume is increased or decreased per click in the options, a plugin that can call common event by name, a plugin that adds a fast travel system in the menu, and a plugin that adds a level to the enemy character. Moving on, the Japanese RPG Maker website put up a comparison table listing the basic features across different RPG Maker versions. And lastly, a Tileset pack of 400 files made to match the style of XP's RTP by Wecock. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.